How to fix iPhone set date and time automatically grayed out. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option screen time. Now head over to the option content and privacy restrictions. Disable for this option. Enter your screen time passcode. Now head back, go to the main page of settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on the option location services. Make sure you have enabled for the option of location services. Then scroll down, click on the option system services. Scroll down, enable for the option of share my location and setting time zone. Once you customize these settings, you'll be good to go. Now you'll be able to set your time and date automatically. Now I can head back to the main page of settings. After you customize these settings, give a fresh restart to your device, and with that you'll be able to set time and date automatically in your device. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can fix iPhone set date and time automatically grayed out. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.